Hey folks, today we're going to take a look at a new app that I just came across. It's called Iorad. It's a Google extension that it's actually a tutorial builder that's going to take you just through steps to create your own tutorial. So I'm just going to give you a quick overview of what it'll do and maybe do some tutorials later for you. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to download this Google Chrome extension called the Iorad Tutorial Builder. And then you're just going to go to whatever web page that you're creating the tutorial from, and you'll click the button, and then this little screen here will pop up, and you just click capture steps. And then all you do is you go through the process yourself to actually capture the steps. So if I'm looking at like how to use paragraph styles here, I'm just going to click through the whole process, and as I'm doing it, it's going to take screenshots and record the steps. When you finish with the initial tutorial, you're going to get this editor here. And you'll see it's just got ways that you can customize the directions. It's got the screen caps for you, and then it just takes you through the steps. When you finish it, you're gonna be able to name it, and then you've got the links to it. One of the really cool things about this is you got a few different options of how you do this. So when you send links to students, they've got either this try version, view, or you can create a PDF. So the really cool thing is the try. When you start that, it's actually going to make you do the steps as you go through. That kind of shows you how to put that together, and then click replay if you need to do it again. The view mode is just going to be the screen caps with the instructions for it, and then of course PDF is going to give you the options to print a PDF copy of something. So I thought it was really cool. Just thinking of the implications in class, I know several times I've done tutorials for my students in class to teach them how to do stuff in Google Docs or Google Slides, and it takes me forever to do it, to get the screen caps down, to type it up, to create the document, all that. This will create a tutorial in 30 to 60 seconds, which is a huge time saver. Other implications too is think about in the classroom, if you want students to explain something, they can actually use this app to create their own versions of tutorials for whatever they're doing in class. So it's just a really cool, handy little app. So check it out.